Hey everyone, and welcome to the tutorial. In today's guide, I will show you how to cancel your Grammarly membership. It's actually a pretty simple process and can be done directly through the application. Start by opening the Grammarly app on your computer. Once it loads, go to the settings by clicking on your profile icon and then choose the account option. Here you will see details about your subscription or membership. Click on Manage Membership. This will open a new tab in your browser where you can manage your plan. If you are on a paid subscription, you will see a cancel button there. Just click that to cancel your membership. Right now, I am on the free plan, so there is no subscription to cancel, and that's why the cancel button does not appear for me. But if you are using a paid plan, the option will show up right on that page. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.